Hey there, coaster fans, and thanks for tuning into another NanoCoaster build brought to you by Big Guy Rides. In this NanoCoaster build, we are putting together Texas Stingray, located at SeaWorld San Antonio. This is one of the more compact nano coasters that I have put together, and it is a little bit smaller than the other ones. I'm not sure why, but if you notice that upon your final build, it is supposed to be a little bit smaller. The first step I usually do is start by taking some of these really sharp nail trimmers, and I cut out each section of the track. I find if I lay out all of the sections of track first, it becomes easiest to put them into place. Some of the edges are a little bit sharp, so if you do have children, I would recommend supervision. Once you've got those all cut out, you can start building them into place. As you'll notice, I kind of take the track piece and bend them around where the track is going to fit into the bottom before securing the tabs underneath. As I have found, if you secure the tabs underneath too quickly, you may not be able to bend the rest of the coaster track in place where it needs to go. Feel free to pause the video and rewind if you missed the steps. The pictures are the only instructions that come with the box, so it can be a little bit confusing. And it's also always good to have an extra pair of nail trimmers in case there are little edges left on the bottom of each track that you may need to trim in order to get them to sit down in place correctly. Thanks for watching another NanoCoaster build by Big Guy Rides. And have fun at the park, guys.